From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up in the middle of the night feeling cold and uncomfortable? I know I was until I discovered the Navien Mate EQM 350 warm mattress pad. This game-changing product has been a total sleep saver for me, and I'm excited too. The Navien Mate EQM 350 warm mattress pad is a super comfy, queen-sized mattress pad that's designed to provide stable temperature and all-night comfort. With its precise temperature regulation, you can say goodbye to overheating and hello to a restful night's sleep. Multiple adjustable levels create a mild and stable warmth that's perfect for all-night use, so you can enjoy constant cozy warmth without sudden temperature changes. This well-reviewed product has been a favorite among many customers who have purchased and reviewed it, and for good reason. The soft, plush texture of the mattress pad is like sleeping on a cloud, and the gentle hum of the temperature control is almost soothing. When you slip into bed, you'll feel the warmth enveloping you, like being wrapped in a warm hug. The result is a deep, restful sleep that leaves you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated in the morning. I've used this mattress pad on chilly winter nights, and it's been a total lifesaver. I've also used it on warmer nights, and the adjustable temperature control has come in handy. Unlike other mattress pads on the market, the Navien Mate EQM 350 warm mattress pad is designed to provide consistent warmth without overheating, making it perfect for year-round use. Whether you're a cold sleeper or a hot sleeper, this mattress pad is sure to provide the comfort and relaxation you need. So why wait? Give the Navien Mate EQM 350 warm mattress pad a try and start sleeping better tonight. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.